Més còmode el mapa.
Was something as special as the birth of a new traditional folk dance in Vilanova La Geltrú, and that might sound like a contradiction in terms. But this dance was Cotominas. It dates back to the 14th century, and if I understood correctly, the Corpus Christi tradition of Barcelona. Here in Vilanova La Geltrú, we haven't had this folk dance in our local repertoire, but from now on it's been added.
Els acompanyants del drac que pugen a l'entaulat, sisplau.
Festa Major
Dragonaires de la Unió.
O Vilanova la Geltrú, Penedès, Catalunya,
Avant.
2012.